You might think that Singapore noodles came from Singapore, but it's indeed a Cantonese dish. It is made out of stir-fried rice noodles with curry, protein, and delicious vegetables. Hello my foodies, it's me again, CiCi. Today we're going to make Singapore noodles. I lived in Singapore for a few years. It's like a food paradise of noodles. All kinds of delicious noodles over there. But one thing I never had is something called Singapore noodles. After coming to the US, during middle school, I was introduced to Singapore noodles. It is full of curry taste, lots of vegetables, and it's like a stir-fried noodles dish. It's really delicious. So today, let's take a look at how we can make it at home. For the onions, first we're gonna cut off the two ends. And then cut it in halves. Peel off the skin. Cut it into thin strips. For the red bell pepper, first cut off the two ends. Open it up and cut off the seed. Then we're gonna cut it into thin strips. The same with the green bell pepper. First, we're gonna cut off the two ends, open it up, and then cut off the seed. And then cut it into thin strips. I'm also going to chop up the end of the cilantro just a little bit. Then cut it into 1-inch pieces. Now for the scallions, we're going to use the green part only and cut it into 1-inch pieces. And for the garlic, we're gonna cut up the tips and then smash it, and then just finely mince it with your amazing Chinese knife. Chop, 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 chop. Now in a bowl, we're gonna crack the egg in it. And then just whisk it. So for the shrimp, I have already deveined. I'm gonna take out the shells. And for this recipe, you can also use char siu. I didn't make mine today. Just in case if you're interested in how to make char siu, you can also click on the link right here. It is super, super yummy char siu. You can save it for any other recipes also. To prepare the rice vermicelli, first we're gonna put in a large bowl and then add boiling water in it. Let it soak for about 3 minutes. Some actually believe that the Singapore noodles was originated in Malaysia, but the interesting is that the one I currently have in Malaysia, they also don't use curry paste, curry powders, or curry sauce. Instead, it uses tomato sauce and chili sauce. So to cook the scrambled egg, well, everyone knows how. Just add the vegetable oil and add in the egg, and then scramble it for like 10 seconds. And later, Cantonese adapted this dish and make it their own version. And they stir-fry it with curry powder or curry sauce. Nowadays, Singapore noodles is so popular that you can find it throughout the world, like in the US, Canada, New Zealand, and Australia, and many more places. Okay, so to cook the shrimp, we're gonna add the vegetable oil and add the shrimp inside the pan. Also add in the garlic. And then stir, stir, stir. Add in the salt and white pepper. Just gonna cook over high heat until the shrimp turns pink and it is cooked. Although the so-called Singapore noodles isn't from Singapore, there are still many similar stir-fried rice noodles in Singapore, just without the curry. And we call it stir-fried mi fen, 炒米粉. To cook everything together, we're gonna add the vegetable oil in the same pan, transfer in the onion, and then just saute or stir-fry it until the aroma comes out. Just for like maybe 15 seconds. Now we're gonna add in the mi fen or rice noodles. Add curry powder. You can also use curry paste if you like. White pepper. Salt. And then try not to break the noodles too much. You can use your chopstick to mix everything until they're evenly all together. Just mix, mix, mix. Now add the soy sauce, green and red bell peppers, bean sprouts, and just saute it until everything is softened and then nice and aromatic. It looks so good right now. At this point, we're going to return the shrimp and our egg. Yum, yum, yum. Now it's almost ready to serve. And don't forget our scallions and cilantro. Mmm, so yummy. Okay, so let's give our Singapore noodles a try. Ooh, isn't that beautiful? Okay, so get some noodles, get some shrimp, some vegetables. Mmm. Sorry, I'm still eating. This is better than any of those takeout places. I didn't really add any chili sauce in it, but it has a little spicy kick at the end. Super delicious, super yummy, crunchy vegetables, and then really bouncy shrimp. Oh, I love it. So guys, comment below and let me know what is your favorite noodles recipe. So that's it for today. Remember to subscribe, thumbs up, share this awesome video with your friends and family, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye! Mm. 今天这个分量呢，4到6个人吃没有问题。又是炒了一大锅。Stir fry dance. Alright, get started. Be serious. Okay.